Welcome to Kansai Fixer. In 2012, we started our journey into what we are today, from our home in Nara, Japan. Kansai Fixer began with us opening a number of Airbnb locations throughout the Kansai region. Even later still, we opened our own izakaya-style restaurant, LBK Craft, in the city of Nara. LBK was where we served a wide variety of popular izakaya-style dishes. We also offered 10 taps of craft beer, serving selections from not only Japan, but many more still from across the globe, with occasional offerings from my home state of Colorado. We also were big believers of promoting local offerings, with as many as a dozen varied types and flavor profiles of locally produced Nara Nihonshu, or sake, as most of the world knows it. Now, you might be wondering, what is Kansai? Kansai is a region located in the southern central area of Japan's main island, Honshu. It's known for its vibrant, food-focused cities like Osaka, the cultural depth of Kyoto, and the friendly and perhaps lesser-known prefectures of Hyogo, where you'll find the city of Kobe, and Nara, Japan's first permanent capital, and home to a world-famous population of 1,200-some deer around the city's central parks, temples, and shrines. Throughout the years from when Kansai Fixer first began, we helped countless travelers live their best experience in the culturally rich heart of this nation, answering questions, offering advice, and sometimes even joining them in their adventures by acting as fellow travelers and advisors, making reservations at Michelin-starred restaurants, and, more often than not, assisting them in navigating through tricky train and subway systems, as well as the maze of narrow streets and alleyways to get them to where they wanted to be, to enjoy the things they had always wanted to experience in the land of the rising sun. As fixers, we were all about handling the logistics and the language, while our guests enjoyed their time on a hassle-free trip to Japan. Now, in addition to still offering information and assistance with hassle-free Japan travel, we also offer the same assistance, information, and advice for travel in Colorado. Here at Kansai Fixer, we live by the mantra, love to travel, love to learn, love to live it like a local. We believe travel is like a university without walls, and that we should always be learning at every opportunity along the way. We're all about sharing educational content on a wide range of subjects and topics, travel tips and stories, and sharing interesting and intriguing tales about the places we go and the people we meet. So please join us on this journey as we continue our love of travel, learning, and always trying to live it like a local with Kansai Fixer.